Okay guys, my name is Jordan and today we're going to look at this 3-bedroom, high floor, fully furnished 1095 square feet unit in 17 residents. Let's go! Alright, yay! Okay, this is the unit guys. The first thing you will notice upon coming in is that you have the long living room ahead of us, which is actually more like a living space, and then you have the balcony and the open area in front. So from the door itself you can see all the way straight. So this is one of the biggest selling point. Okay, immediately on the left you have the dining area. It comes with a table with 4 chairs, and then you also have a fridge and just a mirror to make the house look nicer. Okay, and then on this side you have built-in cabinets and built-in wardrobes. Built-in cabinets, I mean, you have 2 sinks. Comes with a water filter and a 3-piece Tekka induction cooker. Right? Switches are here. Okay, so it also comes with a ventilation fan. Okay, very nice, very tidy. So this part here is the yard. This is where you can do your washing of your clothes, and then you have the retractable clothes rack on top. Just push it all the way in. Okay, right, so you can actually close this door if you want to. If not, then you can go on. So this is where they put the shoe rack. Some people actually prefer to keep the shoe rack outside. So what you can do is you can just probably install the grill, and then the space outside is yours. Okay, so here you have the decorative shelf on the wall, and then you have also a 3-seater sofa with an ottoman, on the carpet, and a coffee table, and it also comes with a TV, and also a TV console. Okay, so this whole living area comes with a 2 horsepower Daikin aircon. The air compressor is actually back and also on the front. So now let's go and have a look at the balcony. Alright, so the area in front of us, this side, is actually facing north, and on the left side of it is Taman Tun. On the right side there is Mount Kiara, and in the middle is KLGCC. Okay, so we are taking the video at night today, and as you can see, everything is the landed houses are orange. Street lamps. Okay, so you also have a wall light down here, and this is the aircon compressor I was telling you about. Okay, so flipping the camera over, this is how it looks like. Okay, so now let's go in and look at the rooms. Alright. Before I proceed any further, this little space here, you can actually choose to install a wardrobe. Build some doors and partitions, and it can be a wardrobe, so you can keep things like your vacuum cleaner, your clothes, if you want to. If not, just leave it. Okay. So the first thing I'd like to share now, on the left side is actually the common bathroom. Quite a straightforward design. You have a centralized heater on top, and then a mirror, WC, and also a sink. Alright, so, and then on the right side here is the master bedroom. Okay, and on this side, this is the 3rd room. So between the 3 rooms, this is actually the smallest room. However, many people choose to use this room as an office because it has great lighting. So here and here, in the afternoon time, you can get the light coming in and illuminate the whole room. Okay, so as of this room itself, it has a single bed, this foldable table, shelf, and also a 3-door wardrobe cabinet with a 1 horsepower aircon. Okay, so now let's look at the master room. The master room is located right in front of the 3rd room. Upon coming in, you will find that this thing here, this is actually the built-in cabinets. This is a full height. Full height. Okay, and then here is where you have your king size bed. You can put a king size bed, but of course this is a queen size bed. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th panel behind of the curtains. This direction once again is facing north. And there is Taman Tun. Okay, so let's flip it around now. You've got a bedside table. And this 2 wardrobe is full height. So you notice that they have this lower compartment, which is actually about 2/3 of the whole height. This is for the daily use. And then you have the final 1/3, which is above. This is where they usually keep your suitcases and all those non-daily use stuff. So it's actually very tidy. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. Okay. So now let's go look at the bathroom. This is the master bathroom. Yeah, you have a window for ventilation, WC, alright. You have a sink, yeah, with a countertop, and also you have a rain shower with your water heater, which is centralized on top. And I also like to point out that you have this shower screen. Yeah, shower screen is good. It's good. It doesn't wet the whole bathroom. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now let's go and look at the second room. Yeah. Okay, so you go out like this, then you go this way. Okay, so this is the second room. It is located right in front of the common bathroom. Yeah, you have queen size bed, study table, you have a 3-panel window, full height curtains, no ceiling fans, 2 LED lights, and also 1 horsepower aircon. Yeah, and also lastly you have bedside table and a 3-door wardrobe. Yeah, so this is basically complete already. Everything is here already. Okay, so with that, guys, this brings an end to our video. And yeah, if you like what you see, if you like anything, just let us know.